So I'm going to a mall. It's like an hour away from here because I have some things to do today. I'm going out to lunch, but I'm getting ready. I'm listening to Morbid. By the way, if you do not know, if you have Amazon Prime and you go to their music, you can listen to podcasts for free without ads and early, especially if you're listening to like True Crime Morbid. And you don't have to like wait around or pay extra for that. And so I'm just getting ready. And then I'm going to walk the dogs. I'm going to hang out with them for a little bit because it doesn't open right away. And then we're going to be off.
I brought Lucy out to play for a little bit before I go because I'm going to be gone a while, so come play. Let's go. Inside. No, we're going in the house. We're going in the house. Let's go. Alright, time to get ready. We're doing lunch out. Mom's a total bus, but I'm at Cheddar's, and I haven't been here in years, so I'm very excited.
The food here was absolutely amazing. They have a honey buttered croissant, which we dipped in raspberry preserve. And then for our food, my mom got the burger and I got the Monte Cristo, and we split it in half so we could each have half of each. And let me tell you, the Monte Cristo there is the most amazing thing. It is absolutely incredible, especially if you dip it in the raspberry preserve. And I cannot recommend it enough. Once we were done with our food, we headed over to play with some puppies and give them a little bit of exercise and love. The first one I played with was a long-haired dachshund, and he was so incredibly cute. His name was Leonard, and I have a couple of friends that have long-haired dachshunds. I love seeing their photos. I was actually thinking about getting one for Ember to have a small friend instead of her big sisters. And this guy was just so much fun to play with. I had a ball with him. Look at how cute those little feet are. Don't you just want to take him home? This is Evelyn. She's a very high energy golden retriever, and she was just so much fun to cuddle with, but she definitely wanted to jump up more than cuddle. So if you are an excitable family, this one might be for you. She was actually the only girl that I got to play with. All the other puppies were boys. She was clearly a very busy girl. How cute is this German Shepherd? Both of my parents had German Shepherds growing up, and he's just so pretty and so lovely. But let me tell you, this little guy was a chomper. I thought Gemma chomped a lot when she was little, but I don't think it was anything compared to this guy. His teeth were big. He did not have the little razor baby teeth like some puppies do, and he just wanted to play and tug and jump. He had so much energy, but he was so pretty. And this little beagle was so cute. He just wanted to keep chewing on my face, and I just wanted to cuddle him so much. Look at how he crosses his little paws. Such a distinguished gentleman. Never did learn his name, but I loved getting to cuddle with this sweet little baby. Look at those paws. Look at how little he is. Oh, don't you just want to adopt them? They're adoptable, by the way.